Navigating life on a tight budget. A guide to smart spending. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase in English: be on a tight budget. Understanding this expression can help you not only grasp the language better but also navigate conversations about finance and lifestyle choices. Let's break it down together. To be on a tight budget means to have a limited amount of money to spend. This phrase is often used to describe situations where someone needs to carefully control their spending because they have a limited amount of financial resources. It's not just about being careful with money. It's about necessity and making sure that the essentials are covered without overspending. Understanding the phrase, be on a tight budget, is crucial for several reasons. First, it allows you to express your financial situation accurately without going into specifics about your income or expenses. Second, it helps in setting expectations when planning activities with others, so they understand your limitations. Lastly, it's a common phrase in English-speaking countries, making it an essential part of your vocabulary for travel, work, and social interactions. Let's put "be on a tight budget" into context with some examples. 1. Making a shopping list. Someone on a tight budget might make a detailed shopping list to avoid unnecessary purchases. 2. Choosing entertainment. Instead of going to expensive concerts, a person on a tight budget might look for free or low-cost events in their community. 3. Traveling. Planning a trip on a tight budget could involve looking for deals, staying in budget accommodations, or choosing off-peak times to travel. Managing a tight budget doesn't have to be a struggle. Here are some tips to make it easier. Track your spending. Keep an eye on where your money goes to identify areas where you can cut back. Prioritize expenses. Focus on what you truly need and cut out or reduce spending on non-essentials. Look for deals, use coupons, discounts, and comparison shopping to stretch your budget further. Being on a tight budget is a reality for many people, but understanding and managing it can lead to smarter financial decisions and less stress. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to be on a tight budget, and how you can navigate these waters. Remember, it's not about the constraints. It's about how you manage within them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.